Wait, hold on. What is that thing? No, that thing right there. I've never seen that before.
Introducing the all-new 4Runner Customs fog lights, where style and class meet off-road capabilities. Featuring an all-new halo design, the market has never seen anything like it. Exact fitment, plug-and-play wiring, and adjustable light angle are just a few features this light provides.
Hey, hold on. This isn't supposed to be some big fancy car commercial. I just want to tell you a little bit about these new fog lights. So let's get into it. What is going on, guys? This is Andrew from 4Runner Customs. I am super excited to bring you today's video. We have the debut of our 2006 to 2009 4Runner Halo fog lights. Now, I have been working on these fog lights, designing them for months, and they are finally ready to debut to you guys. So let's take a look. So here is the fog light itself. Now, I spent months designing this. I even enrolled in a 3D design class just to get everything perfect. Now, here's the light itself. It's got a circular design with a halo around it. It is all LED. Now, the halo has two different color options. You can either do the amber color option on the outside or the white. Now, the great thing is both of these color options are already wired in. You just snap on your wire connector and pick whichever color you desire. Looking at the body of the light itself, it has a plastic outer shell that fits into the bumper, and it has the light on the back. It has the screw at the top that tilts the light up and down, which we'll talk more about later. And then it has the wire in the back, and it comes with the snap to pick between the amber and white. Now let's talk about the design of this light. Now, I wanted to create something that was innovative, yet simple and easy to install. So to achieve that, I made this a direct replacement. You see some of the other lights on the market, you have to do some screwing, drilling into the bumper. There is none of that with this product. You literally just take your old fog light out and put this one in. It's an exact fit. I designed it off of the fog light already in the 06 to 09 4Runners. Now, I wanted to take direct fit just one step farther, and so I made this wiring harness a direct fit into the wiring harness already in your car. So no splicing, no soldering, no switching out LED bulbs or anything like that. All you have to do is plug it up. It takes 2 seconds and it's super easy. Why stop there? I also wanted to make it bright, but also spring adjustable so that it can shine anywhere you want it to on the road. A lot of people were concerned about it being too bright and blinding other drivers. So of course, if you unscrew the top here, it releases the tension on the spring and it can tilt the light up or down so it adjusts the angle shining on the road. Now, the other most important thing to me was fitment, and so I spent extra time designing the light so it fits exactly within the outer bezel, which I'll show you here in a second. So taking off this bezel, you can see there's where the light sits itself. Now, this, of course, is on the stock 4Runner. I wanted something that fit in the center of this bezel. That way it would look like it was OEM and it would fit exactly how I wanted it to. Of course, I will be releasing an in-depth installation video for this product, but right here is just a brief overview of me taking out the light. So right here we have one side with the white halo and the other side with the amber halo, just to let you compare and see how they look. Now, just to show you how easy it was, I just changed the ambers to the whites in the middle of the woods with only a screwdriver, and I didn't even need the screwdriver. So all right, so I know you guys want to see an at night test. First we have just the headlights, and now we add the fog lights. So as you can see, it's a lot brighter, especially on the sides, and it really improves visibility. Next we have an on the road test, just to give you a little bit more of a wider view. As you can see, it kind of kicks out to the sides a little bit, which I really like. And lastly, we have a video of me cruising on by just because I thought it looked cool. Now enjoy these cinematic shots of the fog lights. Now, all jokes aside, guys, these lights were super difficult to create. I ended up making over 20 prototypes in total. It would mean the world to me if you could support me by liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. If you're looking to upgrade your 4Runner or early year Toyota, please check out our website, trailrunnercustoms.com. Thanks.